How to change your PIN on WhatsApp? Are you guys facing issues to change your PIN on WhatsApp? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, now scroll down. Now click on security and privacy. Now tap on app security. Click on change passcode. Now you need to write down your current passcode. After you write down the passcode, you need to create a new passcode for it. Make a passcode according to your preference. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change passcode on WhatsApp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.